slightly curved line across the top to show the opening of the coconut. Add a dome-like shape above the oval to form the top of the coconut. Make it round and slightly uneven to look natural. Add small curved lines under the umbrella for frills and a stick connecting it to the coconut. Draw a small umbrella on the other side of the opening. Start with a triangle shape for the top. The bent straw coming out of the opening, make it slightly tilted. Make the drawing more visible. Color. Color. Orange color.